Nailah Sajid from Nailah's Word Bazaar, and welcome to the world of words where learning is fun. So it's been a long time of COVID, lockdown, and so I kind of got bored, so I decided to order in some books. And look who showed up. It's Agatha Christie's The Body in the Library. It's a toe-curling, amazing book. The first book I read of Agatha Christie was The Murder on the Orient Express, and it was amazing and shocking when I reached the plot. So I'm here with a review of a murder detective novel of Agatha Christie. So the story starts in the Bantry household where they find a body in the library. Just imagine waking up in the night to find a body in your library, especially when you realize that it's murdered. Of course, when people found out, everybody gathered. There was the media, the news, the people. And at this point of the story, Agatha Christie introduces one of her most famous characters, Miss Marple. She is just as observant and witty and smart, like Hercule Poirot, Sherlock Holmes, and many more. So, once Miss Marple gets into the story, there goes on the investigation on who murdered the body. So they reach the shocking truth of the culprit, the motive. And this is an amazing book which I would recommend all of you to read it. And you should really read this if you're into Agatha Christie. Well, if you're not, just read and you'll be into Agatha Christie. So I hope you like this review, and please do subscribe and share. And please like the video, and see you in my next video.